Welcome guys, today another unboxing video for you all. I bought this Fayee, I don't know how you pronounce it, FY003 at Temu. I am not affiliated or sponsored by Temu, so this is my honest opinion. It took about 7 days to arrive from China to the Netherlands, so that's very fast. Only thing I was worried about is that the box was damaged, because as you can see, it only came in a bag. I was really excited to get this car because of all the positive reviews. I'm really happy to see that the box is not damaged or something. Only thing I was worried about was, did I get this? Or did I get the version with the wheels? Or did I get both? The wheels and the tracks? So, I'm excited. Let's get this bad boy out of the box. And when you're here, please like, subscribe, share or comment. You help me a lot. So, let's take a look what's inside the box. I already see some decals and a little manual in Chinese, English and German, I think. And there is the big boy. It's nicely packed. So let's take it out. But I already see some track wheels, not the normal wheels. Oh shit. So let's take it out and look what we've got. It's always a surprise. Oh, track wheels. Such a bummer, because I really hope the wheels were in it. Because okay, we got track wheels. Then I thought I'd contact Temu. I should ask what they can mean for me, because I didn't order the one with the track wheels. And Temu was kind to give me a coupon or my money back, so I can get myself some wheels. It comes with a 6-volt battery. The suspension is plastic with metal drive shafts, and the chassis itself is from metal. So let's drive a little with the tracks. It's really slow. So okay, let's do something about it. I bought these wheels. They are a little bit bigger and wider, and they fit good. Only thing I had to adjust was the axle was 6mm and the wheels are 12mm hex. But it works okay. It works fine. Now it drives a lot better than with the tracks. The tracks are funny too, but yeah, I don't like it. It's not my kind of taste. So, now you're asking, what are your plans with this car? Yeah, thanks for asking. I think a little bit modifying, stronger engine, because this engine is a 130 engine and it's really weak. It's just weak. Maybe some metal upgrades on the chassis and the drivetrain. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe, and then you see what kind of project I'm going to build from this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.